You just want to feel feminine. I mean, that's the whole part of it. And you don't if you're flat.
It was a big deal to me because it was hard to buy certain types of clothing, for instance, bathing suits.
I've always wanted to have larger breasts, but not something that would be exaggerated, just a little more full.
After nursing my children and being a mom, they're just not the same. I mean, they're fine, and my husband's never complained, but I really want to be what I was before.
Just because I'm active and I'm running and playing golf, that kind of thing, I don't want to wear a padded bra all the time.
When you're intimate with someone, it comes off and the truth comes out.
You know, I just got tired of constantly looking prepubescent.
These women took part in a clinical trial of an exciting new option for women who have always wanted larger, fuller breasts but did not want surgery. More than 200 were enrolled in studies of the Brava system, the first clinically proven non-surgical approach to breast enhancement and shaping. The system is based on a proven medical principle called tension-induced tissue growth, a medical concept that's been applied for more than 30 years to expand skin, muscle, and bone.
The process of cell growth, when you apply tension, is entirely natural. It's part of the body's own mechanism for growth. A very controlled, gentle tension is applied to the breast, which will induce new cell formation, new cell growth, and eventually new tissue growth. It's not that you're stretching the tissue and that's what you're seeing. It's really that the stretch induces gentle changes in the tissue that causes it to grow.
This is the plastic dome that you'll be wearing.
Dr. Thomas Baker was the lead medical investigator on clinical trials for the Brava system.
The idea of the Brava system was formulated by Dr. Roger Curry, who is also a plastic surgeon and a colleague of mine. He came to me with this device, and at first I was skeptical. But after talking to him, we decided to do a clinical study to find out if the device really worked.
Women wore the Brava system 10 hours a day for 10 weeks, resulting in an average increase of 1 cup size. This safe, non-invasive approach produced lasting tissue growth, enhancing both lift and size.
The MRI studies show that approximately 50% of the increase is fibrofatty tissue and 50% of the growth is breast tissue itself. And this is about the ratio of fibrofatty tissue and breast tissue in the normal breast.
Before beginning treatment, each woman is thoroughly examined and fitted with plastic domes with gel-filled rims that fit comfortably over each breast. The domes are held in place by a special bra. A small microprocessor called the Smart Box is attached to the domes. It creates a gentle tension that stimulates growth while keeping track of how long patients use the system and how much tension is applied. This data can be transmitted by telephone, then downloaded from a secure website so doctor and patient can check progress. In clinical studies, some women saw results after a single day due to swelling of the breasts. During the first 4 weeks or so, there's more swelling than actual growth. But during the last 6 weeks, much of what you're seeing is new breast tissue. As a rule, your progress at 5 weeks reflects the long-term growth you can expect. At 10 weeks, when you stop using the Brava system, the breasts are enlarged with new tissue and some swelling.
We knew there would be some relapse, that some of this swelling would go away, but what we were interested in is what maintained over a period of time.
4 weeks after completing use of the Brava system, the new tissue stabilizes and the lasting increase in breast volume is about 1 cup size.
It varies, I guess, from women to women, but for me it was a little uncomfortable.
It's not painful, it's just uncomfortable the first night.
I know some women's sensitivity is stronger than others. I didn't feel anything.
It takes a while to get used to it. It's kind of uncomfortable, especially the first night.
The more you wear it, the less you even notice it. It becomes just natural. It doesn't feel comfortable at all. It doesn't bother at all. It was just a little bit of a different sensation at first, and then afterwards it was like nothing.
When I go out during the day with it on now, I just wear oversized shirts, or actually I got lucky, it rained several days, so I could just wear big trench coats, and so that worked out really well. But really I stay home a lot more during the day and try and get as many errands as I can done in the morning, and then come home and wear it mid-morning to early evening, and that seems to work out fine.
When you get home, you're pretty much at least 10 hours in your home where you can wear it in the privacy of your own home, and you don't have to worry about having to wear it out. But of course you could wear it under a loose blouse and you can go out in it, and most people wouldn't even notice it.
It's not bad. To me, anything worth doing is going to take a commitment, and if it means enough to you, you will put aside the time and put out the effort to do it. And 10 hours really isn't bad. Most people need 8 hours of sleep at night anyway.
The body is such an incredible machine, and to think that it was actually, you know, creating tissue, and you were, I was totally amazed and totally thrilled.
I was very pleased and surprised, you know, because I wasn't sure if it was going to work or not, because I did try like pills and lotions and stuff before, and none of those things worked. And so, but then when I saw this and I said, oh my God, you know, it really works.
It's safe, it's your own, and you keep it.
At first I laughed at the idea. I thought it was pretty funny. And I believe it now.
I felt great when I finished the first 10 weeks because I actually saw significant results. My clothes looked better, I can wear some things without a bra, and everything fit nice.
It made me feel a whole lot better about myself as a woman, and it's brought nothing but positive results.
I can't wait to buy a bathing suit this summer. You know, it'll be fun.